Okay, Assalamualaikum. A very good day. Today our topic will be covered on transfusion transmitted disease. Okay, okay, the objectives are you, will be able to list of diseases that are transmitted through transmission, selection and screening of donors, and a serology test that will be performed to detect the transmitted disease. Okay, what is the definition of the transfusion transmitted disease? Is the disease transmitted through blood transfusion? Okay, since kita belajar blood transfusion kan, so kita akan cover more on to blood transfusion lah. Okay, what are the types of transfusion disease? There are 3 types. First, we will discuss about viral infection, virus lah. Also for the virus infection, parasitic, parasite, bacterial infections, bacteria lah, E. coli apa semua tu lah. So what is the mode of transmission? Intravascular drug users, sexual exposure, perinatal infection. Maksud dia time beranak lah. Time bila beranak kan berlaku pendarahan semua kan. Ini boleh berlaku jugalah. Transmission, needle prick injury, tercocok syringe tu tercocok kat kita ke apa kan, tercocok kat patient, jadi juga transmitted disease. Infected blood of products, blood tu rosak lah. Blood dependent patient ni maksud dia patient yang memerlukan darah sepanjang masa. Contoh dia patient yang ada buat dialisis ke, patient yang bertukar darah macam ada thalassemia kan. Dia ada prone untuk dapat transmission disease ni, sebab dia selalu pakai darah kan. Mungkin ada human error ke, tak bersih ke. Yang ni pula, yang ini drug user lah. Okay, now we go first section, which is virus. Common virus transmitted through the blood: CMV, cytomegalovirus, hepatitis A, B, C, HIV, HTLV, human T lymphotropic virus, West Nile virus, human parvovirus B19, SEN virus, human herpes virus 8, and SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Okay, now we go to the cytomegalovirus, CMV. Okay, cytomegalovirus is a virus belonging to the herpes group that is rarely transmitted by blood transfusion. Rarely transmitted. According to the Center for Disease Control, CDC, about 50 to 85% of adults in the USA infected with CMV by the age of 40. CMV infection is usually mild, but it may be serious or fatal in those who are immunocompromised. Maksudnya apa immunocompromised ni? Orang yang immune body dia level dia low lah. Immune level badan dia low, immunocompromised. So dia akan jadi serious or fatal. Particularly at the risk are low birth weight infants and bone marrow and organ transplant patient. If a patient is at high risk of getting CMV diseases, blood that tests negative for CMV can be transfused. Okay. Alternatively, blood that has been filtered to decrease the number of white blood cells, the cells that carry CMV, will protect patients from getting CMV infections from transfusion. It's believed that CMV lies dormant in peripheral blood lymphocyte. So dia CMV ni dipercayai hidup bersama-sama dalam lymphocyte. So sebab tu dia kata bila kita filter, kan saya cerita yang minggu lepas kan, last week, bila kita filter untuk transfer darah tu, dia akan filter white blood cell. So CMV terfilter sekali lah. Itu maksud dia. For hepatitis was the first documented transfusion transmitted disease. Many of the current practice for diminishing risk in transfusion medicine are based on the experiences of controlling the transmission of hepatitis. Okay, hepatitis viruses which infect the liver fall primarily into two groups: viruses with chronic cause, hepatitis B and C, and virus that cause only acute disease, hepatitis A dengan E. Okay.